Hello guys, so you might have thought that the students who are studying outside India, they often do part-time job for their personal expenses. So is it really possible to do part-time job while studying MBBS in Ukraine? Let's find out. Guys, today I am with my senior and let him introduce himself first.
Okay. Hi guys, it's me Sonu Shadi Samuel, studying 4th year in Daniel Helsinki Lviv National Medical University.
Okay, so bro, what kind of job a student can get here?
Yeah, talking about job opportunities, like we can go to work.ua in
Okay.
Google Chrome or anywhere.
Okay.
So in that we'll get to know like jobs with disabilities,
Okay.
jobs with remote jobs.
Okay.
Then what you can say, many jobs like special management jobs, call center jobs,
Okay,
and
okay.
delivery jobs.
So bro, what kind of job a student can get here? Like types of job?
Types of jobs.
Yeah,
Okay,
for a
talking
student.
about types of jobs.
Yeah.
Most of the people can get delivery jobs,
Okay.
call center operators,
Okay.
then tracking agents.
Uh-huh.
Then you can say the Bolt drivers also. That
Uh-huh.
also, if you have a driving license of Ukraine
Uh-huh.
or the international license, you can
Okay.
drive here.
Okay.
Then tracking agents, that is like goods and dispatching things.
Okay.
Then you can say call center, that is mostly in American and UK companies.
Uh-huh.
They offer here call center operators,
Okay.
like night shift and evening shifts.
Uh-huh.
Then this delivery job which I was doing the starting, that
Mhm.
was Glovo, Raketa and all,
Mhm.
but they require proper Ukraine efficiency. That is
Uh-huh.
the main disadvantage here.
So we need to know the Ukrainian language.
Yeah, we need to know properly Ukraine language to
Mhm.
work in this department.
Oh.
Talking about American companies, there is no Ukraine language needed.
So are the seat vacant in the American company to get a job there for us?
that, yeah, there are seats available,
Mhm.
but you need to provide a proper suitable CV.
Uh-huh.
After that, they'll look our resume.
Okay.
Then they'll send regarding an interview.
Mhm.
After passing the interview, we'll get the job.
Mhm.
It depends on how the English
Mhm.
is like.
How your English
English
is?
is
Okay. So do you need to get any certificate and any permission from the dean office to get to do this kind of job? As we are here on the student visa.
Yeah, we are as foreigners.
Uh-huh.
We need to get dean office permission
Okay.
for working in restaurants and all.
Uh-huh.
Like restaurant managers is another opportunity which the students can get.
Oh.
We can get it from the dean office.
Oh.
That is also a good opportunity.
Okay.
For that also, you need Ukraine. Ukraine is really needed in all the
Yeah.
fields. You can talk about.
But bro, initially when the student come, he don't know Ukrainian
they don't
language.
know.
So what kind of job will be suitable for them? Like in KFC and all.
Yeah.
Is it easy to get a job KFC, McDonald's and all?
It's easy to get, but you will be in the back steps, like back store, the stores.
Or like cutting vegetables
cutting,
and
yeah.
cleaning utensils
Cleaning
and all.
utensils, even in the messes. Here, many Indian messes are there.
Uh-huh.
There also you might get jobs like that.
So bro, it is really easy to get a job here. I am talking especially about the Lviv as it is a touristic city. So is it easy to get a job here?
Yeah, oftenly it's easy to get a job. But talking to my experience,
Okay.
starting onwards, I didn't have a proper Ukraine efficiency.
Uh-huh.
But like second year, I started with that. When it was online class, I started with the work.
Okay.
So they require really Ukraine as a B2 level efficiency you need.
Okay.
So I could do the job really nicely. Like many people used to speak English and Ukraine, so
Okay.
both I could manage.
Mm-hmm.
Then that was my first job.
Okay.
Then talking to my second job,
Yeah.
I was working as a tracking agent.
Okay.
That was it was an American company, so there was no much problems.
Okay.
So it was like a night shift. I had to go night also and the evening shift also.
Okay. Okay. How much money you make in a month while doing that job?
Yeah. Talking about income.
Okay.
Like first I was doing a work delivery, right?
Okay. Huh.
So for that I used to earn per month around 3,000 grivens.
Okay.
That is approx 9,000 or 8,000 rupees.
Huh.
That I was just doing a part-time job. So like that I used to earn like that.
Okay.
But far better than that, I used to get in tracking agent.
Okay.
That I used to get per month 10,000 grivens. That is around 30 or 40,000 rupees.
Yeah.
In a month.
So, bro, is it easy to do our study along with the part-time job? Like, is it easy to manage?
Talking about part-time job doing, I was doing presently that was online classes.
Okay.
So I could do it really efficiently.
Uh-huh.
But when the classes become offline, it's really going to be tough.
Yeah.
It's going to be tiring. As morning 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock is going to be the university classes.
Yeah.
So after that, you need to come back from the university to hostel.
Yeah.
Need to cook food. Then you're going to be studying for the next day.
Yeah.
Each day you have vivas and
And
written test to be done. So you'll be totally busy with the university things. So there is no chance
you will
or
not
hope.
get time to do
Yeah.
job initially, basically, because you have to go in the university as at 9 a.m. in the morning, and you will come from the university at 3 p.m. And after that you have to like make food, eat food, take a rest, then you have to study for tomorrow, because every day you will have to give the test in each subject. So if the classes will be offline, then you will not get that time to do part-time job, right?
Yeah, exactly.
bro?
You are true.
Yeah, so this was the video of part-time job. Thank you so much, Sonu bro,
Okay.
for helping me
Welcome.
to make this video. So guys, I hope you understand the criteria for doing part-time job here, and what are the pros and cons of it, and how much money you can make while doing part-time job in Ukraine, especially in Lviv. So if you are a student, you are coming here, and if your classes is offline, then forget about the job, just focus on a study, because you will not get time to do part-time job here. And if the classes is online because of the coronavirus as it was, so you can do job here, but the basic requirement and the most common requirement is you need to know the Ukrainian language. Even if you will go for the delivery job and you want to work in a hotel or any like in a call center or anything, then here you need to know the Ukrainian language. And in the beginning you will not knowing the Ukrainian language, so it will be hard for you to get a job here. So I hope this video was informative for you. So see you in the next video.